Hi, Rob from Masterplan Homes. Today we're in the city of Columbiana at the Home Savings Branch. We have Scott Jones with us. He's one of Home Savings' senior mortgage originators. He's going to help explain what the C.R.A. is and how it affects you in regards to financing a new home. Good evening, Scott.
How you doing, Rob?
Doing good, doing good. So you've been in the community now for quite some time here, and you've been at this branch for quite some time.
22 years. We opened this branch in
Wow.
1997.
Wow. So you help build a branch and open the doors, right?
Absolutely.
So now you live too right down the street.
I do. I live in the community as well. Been there 13 years.
So let's start there. So the C.R.A. is geared just to the residents of Columbiana or the town of Columbiana. Explain a little more. What is a C.R.A. and how it's going to affect the community we live in?
The C.R.A. is a community reinvestment area, not to be misconstrued with the Community Reinvestment Act. The Community Reinvestment Area is a tax abatement program that was applied for by the city to the state of Ohio and was approved. And the area itself is entailed within the city limits itself.
So the C.R.A., I mean, what benefits does it have for somebody looking to build a new home, and who's eligible for it?
If you would apply, if you're going to build a new home and you're going to apply with the city for the tax abatement, it's going to save you up to tens of thousands of dollars because any improvements taxed, the improvements taxed on a new build are going to be tax exempt for up to 15 years.
So explain that you are going to be saving what your property taxes would have been with building a new home on a given lot.
That's correct. You're just going to pay the property taxes themselves on the lot itself. Any improvements, any taxation on the improvements will be exempt for up to 15 years.
And who's eligible for this?
Anybody who plans to build or do certain improvements within the city limits and applies for the tax abatement through the city.
So no income levels need to be reached or any individual income or building amount needs to be reached. It's just available basically for anybody that wants to take the adventure of building a new home.
Absolutely, within the boundaries of the C.R.A.
All right, well, good. Well, the C.R.A. application process, where does it start? How somebody says somebody needs to apply. Where would they go to apply?
The applications are obtained at City Hall, at the City Administration Building, and you apply there, turn it back in, and it'll be looked at through the city manager or the housing officer, as he is, and he'll go over the applications and approve them accordingly.
So when you said somebody could save tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the C.R.A. for the given property, does this increase their buying power? Does it affect their future loan valuation?
It actually affects their buying power initially because we know if they apply and they're approved with the improvements savings, they're going to literally save tens and tens of thousands of dollars. So their buying power is increased exponentially, of course.
And like all good things, this isn't going to last forever. So the C.R.A., is it here for 1, 2, 5 years? I know it will last 15 years once you're approved, but how quick does somebody need to respond or apply for them to take advantage of the offer?
According to the ordinance, there will be a housing council review committee, and after the first year, they'll review the applicants, where they were applied at within the actual C.R.A. area, and they'll make any modifications at that time.
So right now we're good for 2019, but we don't know about 2020.
Absolutely. But we're sure excited about 2019.
I am too. So how can your bank help those looking to apply? Specifically, what would the bank need from a potential applicant?
Home Savings continues to be the leading mortgage lender in the Valley, and our home construction program is unsurpassed. So we have products to fit most needs. So we're there to fit any need for anybody building, renovating a property, and we also have a commercial loan department that would offer any assistance to any commercial or industrial applicants as well.
Oh, so a commercial and industrial applicant, there is an avenue for them to take advantage of the C.R.A. as well.
There sure is. They're done on a case-by-case basis with the same application process with the City Hall.
Wow, so Home Savings has been around for how many years?
22 years here in Columbiana.
In the Valley?
In the Valley for about 135 years.
So pretty much Home Savings has touched most families in the Valley and helped them afford a home at one point or another.
We sure have.
And
many
now,
generations.
Many generations. And now you're embedded in the city of Columbiana and looking to increase the growth here, which there's been a significant growth for the past 2 decades, but we're looking to continually grow the community. Right now we have 6,000 to 7,000 residents. To have process like the C.R.A. available, this is a unique situation, isn't it?
It is a unique situation. It's going to help provide economic stability for the city. It's going to help grow our property values, hopefully, and it's going to possibly even offer some opportunities for employment.
Well, good. I'm excited about it. I'm a resident of town, and I'm excited about the growth and just to have my kids a part of a thriving community. So I appreciate your efforts.
Thanks
for seeing us tonight.
Thanks for having me.
If you're ready to find out more about the C.R.A. and take the next step, give us a call at Masterplan or call Scott
At 330-853-9323 or sjones@homesavings.com.
And if this was helpful, like or subscribe and check us out at masterplanhomes.com. Thanks.